Hey everyone, Shanos here. Welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to talk about Clickbank and show you basically everything there is to know about Clickbank Marketplace. How to choose your products, how to avoid bad products, and actually how to detect if a product is a good product or a bad product in the first place. Alright, so first thing you need to do in order to get to here is to log into your Clickbank account and go to the marketplace. Okay, if you click on the marketplace link here, it's going to take you to this page. This is where you choose your products. Now, as you see, there are categories here, and on each category, if you click on this arrow here, it's going to open a bunch of subcategories. Okay, now let me tell you what are the top categories on Clickbank. Not on just Clickbank, but basically everything when it comes to promoting online products. The first and biggest one is e-business and e-marketing. Basically, that's the make money online niche, right? The second one is health and fitness, and third one is the self-help. Now, self-help can be everything from from relationship advice, self-esteem, and everything basically related to self-help. Okay, now next one, again, let's go back to the second one, which is the health and fitness. That's weight loss, beauty, man, woman, health, whatever. And then the first one, if we go back here, e-business and e-marketing, that is affiliate marketing, article marketing, and basically everything about online business in general. All right, so these are three top categories. Again, you don't have to stick to these three categories, but it's better if you do. So first thing you need to do is you need to figure out what you want to promote. By what I mean, what kind of product you want to promote. Okay, what niche you want to promote. So in my case, for this course, to show you exactly how this whole system works, I'm going to choose a product in e-business. This is a product that I've been really trying to promote for a while and really didn't get a chance. So this course is kind of a good chance for me to show you how I do it at the same time. Actually create a campaign for myself to make money from promoting this specific product, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to click on e-business and e-marketing, and I'm going to choose affiliate marketing. And the product I'm going to promote is CV passive income. Now, let me tell you how you can. Let me tell you how to understand these stats in here. Now, obviously, these stats are different for every product and every niche. So let me tell you. So this is the product name, right? CV passive income. There's some description about it. It doesn't tell you what is the product about. It's basically telling you what this product is going to do as an affiliate. This is the average sale, average commission someone makes per sale. Now, this is not the money you're going to make if you make a sale. Keep that in mind. This is average commission per sale. Okay, so the initial sale, this is the money you're going to make if you make a sale on this course, is $26.79. Okay, that's the money you're going to make if you make your first sale if you make a sale with this course. An average percentage of sale is basically the commission rate, right? This is 50%, 50% commission rate. An average rebuild total is basically how much this course is going to charge if your customer subscribes to the monthly payment, and on average how much they charge your customer. Okay, so on average they charge $101.94 for this course, and average rebuild total is 50%. That means I'm gonna make 50% of this $101 if I promote this. And again, these are not actual numbers, these are average numbers. Okay, so sometimes it's gonna be higher than this, sometimes it's gonna be lower than this. The only actual number you see here is the initial sale. That's the exact number if you make a sale. So, okay, now the next thing, which is the kind of important part, is the gravity. Okay, gravity is a meter that detects how popular that product is. The higher the gravity of the product, that means more people are actually promoting it. The number of the gravity actually comes from how many affiliates have actually made a sale from this product, made a sale promoting this product in the past week. Okay, so this means 128 people actually made a sale promoting this product, which is really high. It's not the highest I've ever seen, but it's high. For example, this one is 39.79, which is a bit lower. Now let's go back to another niche. Okay, let's go back to the marketplace here again, and let's go to the health, and let's choose weight loss. Let's take a look at a couple of other stuff. Alright, so again, there's another one, gravity, right? So this is the initial, so that's how much money you're gonna make if you promote this product by selling it on the first sell. And average percentage per sell, that's your commission, and not much of a rebill, and you know, everything else is pretty much flat here. So $38.61, same as this. So 3-week diet, $29. $29.99. Average sale is $30, so that's not a lot either. So yeah, again, you just go through the products. Now, how you actually find a good product, that's the important part, right? You want to know how you actually know if it's if a product is good. Now, something I do usually when it comes to promoting products, like, let's go back to affiliate marketing, okay? So something I do when it comes to promoting product, for example, I'm looking at this product and I'm like, all right, this sounds nice, you know, the gravity is high. Where's gravity? Okay, so yeah, gravity is high, and it's paying, okay, you know, $92.10 per sale. So I make a decision to promote this product. How do I actually make sure this is a good product? The first thing I do is I open this page up and I take a look at the product. Something I want to see is how good is the sales page of the product. Okay, you want to make sure if they have good enough content on the sales page, you know, if the sales page is actually really good, they have some good videos, good images and everything. So I'm looking at this. I've been looking at this actually before, and they have really good videos, especially a video from Russell, which is, he's a big guy when it comes to internet marketing, and you know, he's the founder of the ClickFunnels, which is really good testimonial when it comes to selling something. So they have a really good sales page. I like it. Sounds very good. You know, looks very good and everything. And there's a lot of content which is good because we're going to use this content for our website. So it's really good that they have a lot of content. So make sure to choose a product that has enough content to promote. Okay, so that's one. So yeah, I like this enough. Again, a lot of content which I really like. Alright everyone, so after we looked at the sales page and looked at the stats on Clickbank and everything, next thing I do is I go and contact the owner of the product, basically the vendor. Okay, now this is something I usually do, and there are usually two options to do this, because what we want to do, basically, let me tell you what I want. What I want here is I want to get access to the product without paying for it. So the whole point of this is for me to look at it so I can do a good review, you know, maybe I can make some videos about it, maybe I can do some pictures, you know. So again, this is something you can do in two ways. Number one is to buy it, you know, if you want, or you can actually contact the owner of the product to ask him if they can give you a review access, so you can make a video about it, tell them you're an affiliate. I'm gonna do that right now in front of you, but yeah, that's the idea. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, and this is something else that you need to check when you're actually looking for a product. You're gonna make sure that they have a way that you can actually contact them. Also, they have an affiliate program section where you get your affiliate links, and not links, but your banners, you know, sales funnels and everything, all go into that. I'll talk about it in a minute. All right, let's talk about the contact. So I'm gonna send this person a message, and if they answer in a day, I'll see. If they don't, I'm just gonna buy the product myself and try it. Okay, because when we looked at it here, and when we looked at the sales page, it looks like a good product, so we're gonna give it a chance, right? I mean, the worst case scenario, you're just gonna return it and just get your money back. So I'm going to the contact section here, so let me just find this. Submit a ticket. Again, I'm pretty sure every vendor has a different, you know, contact process. Some people just have their emails in there. Some people have the simple form. This person apparently has a really complicated process to get in touch with them. So I'm just gonna put my name here. That's priority high. So I'm gonna say affiliate. Hi. Is there a way for me to get a quick review access to I'm gonna ask him if there's a way for me to get a quick review access to CB passive income. And something else you should mention, I mean, even if you don't have a big list or if you don't have a big traffic source, something you can say is you can mention that you have a big list of affiliate marketers and you have a big list and you want to promote this product to your list, and so this way you can actually they're actually going to answer you. So I mean, in my case, I have a big list, so I don't have to kind of trick them. But if you don't have a list, you can just say that you have a big list, so they're going to actually give you access. So I'm going to say I have a list of 5,000 subscribers and would love to, I'm going to say 5,000 active subscribers and would love to promote your product to them. I was wondering if I can get a review access to record some videos and write some articles to promote your product to my list properly. Alright, so yeah, again, I'm just trying to get in touch with them so they give me access. Again, if they don't answer me in a day, I'm just gonna go and buy the product. So I'm gonna click on submit, and that should be on its way. Perfect. Alright, so now that's the first thing you do, right? You contact them and see if there's a way for you to get access to it so you can review it as an affiliate, right? Because they want it. I mean, like 70% of times, affiliate marketers, I mean, these vendors, they usually respond fast and they give you access. They give you a review access. They always do, okay? So don't worry about that. Even again, if they don't, just buy the product and you can return it later on, okay? So next thing you want to check is if they have an affiliate program section. Okay, this is really important because this way it shows that it's an actually good product, and you're not gonna have a hard time promoting this because they're gonna provide all of the tools that you need to promote the product, right? So it's gonna make your job easier, and that's something I always look into. I always look for products. If I promote a product, I always look for a product that actually provides these stuff. Now again, if you go to this page, most of the top products on Clickbank, most of the good products on Clickbank, they have this stuff, okay? They have a way for you to get in touch with those vendors. They have a page where you actually put your affiliate ID, and they give you all the tools you need to promote the product. So again, these are the qualities that you need to look for when it comes to promoting a Clickbank product. Now again, I'm gonna put my name, email, and Clickbank ID and click on sign up, and basically it's gonna take me to, yeah, there you go, it's gonna take me to the affiliate page. This is where I get access to my tools. For example, they have solo ads, right? These are the emails that you can send to your list if you have a list. Again, we're not going to use this, but I'm going to show you how you can use these solo ad traffic to get sales. Okay, we're going to talk about it in traffic section. So yeah, again, they have good stuff. Again, solo ads, they have banners, that's cool, banners, that's nice, and videos, that's good. Alright guys, so based on everything we just learned, with the product having the affiliate section with banners and everything, and also a good sales page and your ability to contact them, I'm gonna promote this product. Again, I'm still waiting for them to respond back with the access. If they don't, I'm gonna buy it, but if they do, well, we're gonna see what's inside, and we'll talk about that in future, obviously. So what are you gonna do is you're gonna go back to Clickbank and you're gonna click on the promote to promote the product. Okay, so, and I'm gonna talk about this section in next video, but you're gonna click on create and you're gonna get this link. Now let me just save this link somewhere. So this is my affiliate link. This is the link where this is the link I'm gonna send my traffic to to make sales. Again, we're going to talk about this a lot in future, but just save that link somewhere. Now, next thing I want to talk about, is that what I want from you right now is go to Clickbank and choose a product you want to promote. Okay, now, but more importantly, what I want you to go to community and find a product that you think you want to promote on Clickbank and ask us. Okay, ask us if ask us if this is a good product or not, because yes, it's obviously I explained everything you need to know when it comes to choosing a good product, but it doesn't hurt for you to ask questions. Okay, so make sure to go to the community and ask us and post the product, post the link in there and let us know you're trying to promote this product, and we'll take a look at it and let you know if it's a good product or not. If you're not sure, again, if you're not sure if you're not sure that the product you want to promote is a good product or not, ask us and let us know, and we'll definitely help you out. Okay, but if not, if you're sure, just simply choose your product based on everything I just explained in this video and save your link somewhere. So we're gonna proceed, and I'll see you in the next video.